Hi everyone, today we're using this patio and path sealer. It's the first time I've ever done this, so I'm going to give you a bit of a walkthrough of how I've gone about prepping the patio and then obviously applying the sealer. So obviously the main thing is making sure the patio is nice and clean before you put the sealer on. You don't want to seal all the dirt underneath. Then it's best to wait sort of 24 hours for the patio to dry off, so just give it a quick sweep. And then I've got myself one of these little spray guns as well to empty the sealant into. I think it gives a more evenly distributed amount rather than just pouring it on and then rolling it. So it does take me a while to figure out how to use this gun without pumping it every few seconds. So I'm just doing a few slabs at a time and then rolling it just so it's all evenly spread. Make sure to leave a like on the video if you think it's helped at all. And yes, that is a broomstick screwed into a paint roller. I told you, my first time. In total, probably took about 20 minutes to do this area. I went round the front as there was a small path around there. So by the time I'd done that, this was pretty much dry enough after about half an hour to give it a second coat, which is advised on the instructions. It was definitely a bad idea wearing dirty work boots as well doing this, so make sure your shoes are clean. And there we have it, cleaned and sealed. Quick before and after. Leave a comment if you think it looks worth doing, or especially if it's helped you as well. And hopefully I'll see you on my next video.